jobs disappear in the near future? Hey everyone, it's Aisen. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a question that's on everyone's mind lately. Will AI take my job? It's not just a sci fi fear anymore. AI isn't just helping us work faster, it's starting to replace us in some areas. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the top jobs that might disappear in the next few years thanks to artificial intelligence. And what if means for you? Let's get into it. Let's be real. AI doesn't need lunch breaks, doesn't get tired, and can process data at insane speeds. That's why companies are starting to replace certain human roles with AI, not because they want to, but because it's cheaper, faster, and in some cases more accurate. But it doesn't mean all jobs are at risk, only the ones that are predictable, repetitive, or data heavy. So let's look at the list. 1. Data entry clerks. Copy paste work, filling forms. AI can do that in seconds and without typos. 2. Telemarketers. Voice AI like ChatGPT powered bots can already make sales calls and respond better than most scripts. 3. Cashiers. With self checkout, mobile apps, and Amazon Go style stores, we might not need cashiers much longer. 4. Basic customer support agents. Many companies now use AI chatbots that handle entire conversation, from refund requests to password resets. 5. Proofreaders and translators. Tools like Grammarly and DeepL are making basic proofreading and translation almost fully automated. 6. Fast food workers. Some restaurants are testing AI powered drive thrus, burger flipping robots, and robotic fry stations. 10. Delivery drivers. With self driving vehicles and drones in testing, even delivery could go full auto one day. 8. Office administrators and receptionists. Virtual assistants and AI scheduling tools are handling calls, bookings, and reminders. 9. Basic photo editors and retouchers. AI can now enhance, retouch, and even generate realistic images with a single click. 10. Translators. Apps like DeepL and Google Translate are rapidly improving, especially for major language pairs. But don't panic, it's not all doom and gloom. Jobs that require creativity, empathy, complex decision making, or human touch are safer, at least for now. Designers, therapists, engineers, teachers, nurses, and creative storytellers, AI might assist them, but it can't replace the human element they bring. Even new roles are being created. AI assistants, prompt engineers, AI trainers, jobs that never existed before. So, here's my advice: don't ignore the rise of AI, but instead of fearing it, learn how to work with it. If you can adapt, upskill, and stay curious, you won't just survive, you'll thrive in the AI powered future. And honestly, this might be the best time ever to reinvent yourself. What do you think? Is your job safe? Or are you already seeing AI show up in your workplace? Drop a comment and share your thoughts below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Big changes are coming, and I'll be here to talk about all of it. See you in the next one.